In today's video, we're going to be looking at ejecting certain disks from our macOS. So if we have an SD card or USB stick we need to remove, it's always good to eject them first to ensure that nothing gets corrupted when we take them out. There are multiple ways of doing this on macOS. The first and most common way is by dragging them to where the trash usually would be and ejecting them through there. You can see I can bin that and it will just eject the drive. Alternatively, we can right click or click with two fingers if we're using a trackpad and click eject. If we wanted to do this in a quicker manner, we can select the drive and press Command and E. And as you see, the drive has been safely ejected. Thanks for watching. Visit KazziCom.com for information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.